Today, about to do a starter on the 03 Max. Should be quick. This one's gonna be quick video, because I was parting it out. Quick video. I'm gonna do a quick video on that. All right, so let's get it, man. Let's get it. All right, first things first. Take off the negative terminal. If your battery's still on there, take that off. You got 12 here, 14 right here. It's gonna be 14 here, right here. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get that. You have to pry this up right here. This cable that goes to your tranny, you have to pry this up so you can reach in there. And there's a 17 right here. Right here, bang. Right here. Right there. Alright, let's take them off. This is 14 right there. Let's take them off. Alright, let's take off this connector right here. You gotta take it out like this so you can see it. You see that? Press this down and just pull it out. Alright, this connector is off. It's off. In automatics, that's a female connector. So that looks like this. When you get a new one, make sure it matches this female. Alright, take off your 12 right here. Positive terminal, let's take that off. 12. Okay. Take off the 14. Again, make sure you pry this automatic cable right here up so you can reach the 14 in there. Take it off. Alright. 17. There's 17 right there. Make sure you get extendo so you can reach there. Alright, so you get the bolts out, pull it out. Alright, here's your starter. Now, just put the other one in, same way, 17, 14. Just like that. I'm not putting this in because it's trash. It's trash. Easy as that, you see? I told you it's gonna be quick. So, if you have any questions, just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. I got more videos.